Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Autocad course. In this lecture, we will discuss some more important commands of Autocad. Then we will complete our basic part of the Autocad in next 3 lectures, including this one. This is 11th lecture of the Autocad. In next 2 lectures, we will complete the basics. Then we will start 2D and 3D drawing. And the last part is it's structural drawings part. So we start our today topic. Today we will discuss some dimensions, how to measure the dimensions, quick distance, quick dimension, and how to measure the angles between the lines, how to measure the angle and the length of the arc. So we discuss our today topic. First I will draw a line here. You will see I will press F8 to make the switch off the earth mode. Switch on the earth mode. No line will be straight. I draw this line, then press enter. So I draw this line. Let me know measure its distance of the line, dimension of the line. For it we have quick dimension here. To measure this distance, just click the object, then press enter. Now you will see this is quick dimension to measure the length of the line. You can see this was our first command. We do another, just to measure the angle between the line. Let me switch off the ortho mode to draw the line at angle here. No, I will draw the line at angle. Press enter. Now go to dimension here. Go to here angular. Click here. Then click first element of the line, then second. You will see the angle between this line is 40 degrees. You can see. This is how we can check the line between the angle between the lines. And the next option we have, let me show you, let me draw the arc. This is arc, 3-point arc. I draw the 3-point arc. If you want to measure its arc length, this is the option for you. It's easy. Just click here, then click on the arc. Here you will see the arc length. Next I will show you if you want to measure the arc radius, you can also just click on there, arc radius. Here you will see this is the arc radius. This is the dimension line. You can change the dimension line also. We can change it by going dim style option. Here dim style option, go to modify. Here in the symbols and arrow in the lines, color of the line we can change red. You can see. Now I will click OK, set current. You can change also. This is the node dimension extended line. Actually dimension starting from here. You can change its color also, but here I will not. So let me delete it. No, I will show you how you can measure we just measure the radius. You can measure also the arc. We did arc length. Let me measure this. This is linear command, also measuring for length calculation for the linear lines, straight lines. Here I will show you the angular command in the for arc. You will see here. Let me show you. You can see the angle of the arc is 194 degrees. So this is how you can check the angle also in the arc. These are very basic command, but learning them is much important to go for the 2D and 3D part. So must practice these commands. Here I want to show one more thing, that here go to this bottom window. Here in the bottom window you will see here option. This is workspace switching. You can switch your workspace. Here I set the AutoCAD Classic. I set the layouts like AutoCAD Classics. I discussed it in my starting lecture. You can watch them to set the AutoCAD Classics. But then you can switch here from, actually in latest version you will see in the starting of the AutoCAD it will show by default this option, drafting and annotation. Now let me show you here how you can switch it. Just click on it. Now you will see I will switch to drafting and annotation. This is latest uh, window exposure of the AutoCAD. It's by default, but we can set it. It's also easy to work here, but it's mainly for drafting and annotation. So if you want to move again to the AutoCAD Classic, here I will now move to AutoCAD Classic 1. But you must need to set the AutoCAD Classic. You can refer to my starting lecture for this. Thanks for watching this lecture. Please stay tuned for next.